Tonight, I want to speak to you about what you call delay, the stubborn shadow of the old that seems to linger after you have changed your state. I tell you, you ask, if I have changed my state, why does my world still appear the same? And I say to you tonight, what you are seeing is not the present. It is the echo of a former state. These shadows have no life of their own. Let me tell you, your past assumptions, impressed again and again, have arranged themselves into a chain of events already set in motion. Changing your state stops the cause, but the effects already moving toward you may still appear for a little while. Do not call these shadows your reality. They are only the remnants of what you once believed, and how long they linger depends entirely on the stability of the new state. If you waver, you feed the old. If you stand firm, loyal to the unseen reality, the old dissolves quickly. I tell you, the echo is not delay, it is the bridge. And when you see it, you have a choice to call it the proof of failure, or to call it the last trace before the promise stands before you. Give it the meaning of a past already replaced, and it must vanish. So tonight, when the old appears, let your inner voice declare, this is not my now. My reality is already set. Stand firm in this truth and watch how the world rearranges itself to match the state you have assumed. Everything bends, everything yields, everything must conform to the inner conviction you hold. And as the night gives way to morning, so the old gives way to the new. This is the law, and I tell you, do not wait for proof waits on you. Do not ask how, for the how is none of your concern. Dare to remain, dare to stand, dare to persist in the face of every shadow. For the moment you refuse to bow to the echo, the world has no choice but to bow to you.